Good evening, family. How's everybody doing today on this Monday? Hopefully, everybody's doing wonderfully blessed. Had a great day. Most importantly, had a safe day wherever you guys are chilling at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy Jaime G coming at you guys to let you know what's going on in the wild, wild west of Cryptoland. Guys, I'm going to break you off some Doge news today. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Please never take it as financial advice. All right, guys, we're going to talk about 3 reasons on why you should remain bullish on Dogecoin. Right, we're going to read an article and it breaks down 3 reasons on why you should remain bullish and why they believe Dogecoin is gonna break to the upside very, very soon. All right, Bitcoin is currently sitting at 46,311 with 6 cents. We are currently down exactly 3% for the day. Still not too bad, guys. We're still sitting at above 45K. So Bitcoin is still looking good overall. It's just taking a breather. The overall markets have taken a breather, guys. They're consolidating, which is a good thing because we've been pumping, right, guys, for quite some time now. So it's good for the markets to cool down, to pull back a little something, something, you know what I mean, and consolidate. That's always a good thing, guys. All right, so enough of Dogecoin. Let's get into the Dogecoin. All right, guys, Dogecoin is up 3% right now. It is at 32 cents, right, or 30.3298. We're almost at 33 cents again, guys. Like I said, we're up 3.85% for the day. We had a 24-hour low, guys, of 30 cents, right? There was, quite a bit of people taking profits today, you know what I mean? So it's expected, you know what I mean, from that big run up. You know what I mean? Just last week we were at 20 cents, guys, and now we're at 33 cents. We went all the way up to 39 cents briefly there. So what do you expect? I mean, people are going to take profits, right? That's the whole reason why we invest. Anyways, we had a 24-hour high of 35 cents. Market cap is sitting at 43.19 billion, and our volume in the last 24 hours is at 6.46. Not too shabby. All right, guys. Now let's get into this article here. Right now, we're gonna get into this right here, and it says when Dogecoin moon. It says on-chain data and trading volume suggest soon. Right, so they're talking about they truly believe that it's going to continue. I truly believe we're going to continue to break to the upside. We're just taking a small little breather, guys, which is what we need. We really need this, right? We really need it. All right, guys, so let's dive into this article. It says the cryptocurrency market has had a wild ride thus far in 2021 as multitude subsectors, including DeFi, non-fungible tokens, meme coins, and layer 2 solutions have seen their total value lock and token prices skyrocket to new highs. One of the biggest success stories of the year was Dogecoin, a simple joke cryptocurrency that has morphed into a darling of a cryptocurrency sector. Interestingly, over the past month, the project has again gained momentum, and several data points suggest sentiment for the Doge is becoming increasingly bullish. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pros and Trading Views show that since hitting a low of 15 cents on July 20th, the price of Doge has rallied 120% to reach an intraday high of 35 cents. Like I told you guys, on July 21st, guys, we broke out of that descending triangle to the upside. Now we're in ascending channel, right? Like if you look at my video from yesterday, I showed you on the charts the ascending triangle. Now we are trending up, guys, and we have been trending up for quite some time now, since July 21st. So almost a month already, guys. It says 3 reasons analysts and traders are developing a more bullish outlook for Doge include increased on-chain activity, rising trading volumes in top chain, and increased attention from big influencers. So here's reason 1. It's called on-chain activity shows increased use. The ability to attract new token holders is one of the most important factors for the long-term viability of cryptocurrency projects because new users help to increase token velocity and overall demand, which means help to push the price up. As seen in the following tweet from Philip Gradwell, chief economist at the chain analyst, Dogecoin adoption is currently at its highest level since the 2017 bull market, guys. This is huge. It says with new users who have held the token for less than 6 months, currently holding 25% of the are holding 25% of the circulating supply. Did you guys hear that? It says with new users who have held the token for less than 6 months, currently holding 25% of the circulating supply. So new holders, guys, are holding 25%. That's huge, guys. It says on-chain Doge is being adopted by new investors at a level not seen since the late 2017 bull market. With new, he says a follow-up tweet from Gardwell provided deeper insight into the on-chain activity for Dogecoin, which had an average of 32,000 daily active users in 2021. It says Doge has had an average of 32K on-chain daily active users in 2021 and has moved with the price. There is an R value of 0.7 between the percentage change in DUAs and the percentage of change in the Doge price in 2021 so far. Now here's the second reason why to be bullish, guys. It says exchange volumes are on the rise. A second reason for the increase in attention from analysts toward Doge is the rising trading volume on some of the biggest exchanges, including Coinbase. It says, as seen the following tweet from Patoshi, I don't know how to say that word. It says a Twitter analyst, Doge's 24-hour trading volume on Coinbase averaged 200 million per day over the prior week. Just saw the Doge volume on Coinbase the past week, and oh my God. He says this Coinbase is the largest fiat on-ramp in the United States, and this spike in activity from traders could be a sign that retail investors are piling back into Doge and possibly other sub-$1 tokens. Guys, now also, like I was saying in my video yesterday, there's also a bigger demand for Doge in Asia and Europe, right? And you have the United States. So those are three powerhouse countries, right, that are investing in Doge. Because for when Doge hit its all-time high of 74 cents, that was merely all basically the United States retail investors pushing the price of Doge up. But now you have the United States, you have Asia, and you have Europe as well, right, guys? So Europe and Asia being on there as well, it's going to help push the price of Doge up. So I think that that also is playing a key factor on pushing the price of Doge up. Now, here's the third reason to remain bullish. It says Mark Cuban touts the benefits of Dogecoin. It says third reason for the bullish sentiment surrounding Dogecoin is recent commentary from big-name influencers such as Mark Cuban, who once again touting the benefits of the Dogecoin as payments rail to his legions of Twitter followers. It says the point about Doge that people miss is that Doge imperfections and simplicities are its greatest strengths, right? And this is Mark Cuban's tweet. It says Cuban's focus on Dogecoin drew the ire of some Bitcoin fans who implored the Shark Tank star to just buy a stack of Bitcoin and stop the Doge show. A sentiment to which Cuban directly replied and pointed out that the decision was largely in response to users' demand. Cuban said now. He says, I don't show Doge, I show the products and services of my companies like anybody should. It says where we allow people to pay in any crypto. 95% of sales are in Doge. Customers choose to use Doge. We can argue everything and anything re Bitcoin, but right now Doge is the people's way to pay. You know what I mean? And this is huge, guys. You know what I mean? Because it just goes to show you, man, the major adoption for Dogecoin has came a long way from, you know what I mean, 2013 when Doge was created as a meme coin, and now, you know what I mean, it's being used as a form of payment. There's over 1,666 companies, guys, that accept it as a form of payment. It was 1,400 about 2 months ago. I made a video about that as well, right? But just within a short period of time, right, it has gained more momentum and it's gained more adoption from companies, right? Now, if it was if people didn't look at it as a form of asset or if it had any value to it, then they wouldn't be accepting it as a form of payment. It says the Vortex scores exclude the Cointelegraph as an algorithmic comparison of historic and current market conditions derived from a combination of data points, including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements, and Twitter activity. Right, it says, as seen in the chart above, the Vortex score for Doge climbed into the green on August 7th and reached a high of 72% on August 9th, around 24 hours before its price increased 44% over the next 6 days. Rising on-chain activity and 24-hour exchange volume, along with the return of Doge, prompted by popular influencers, has Dogecoin primed to possibly see its second bull market rally in 2021. Guys, I truly believe we will hit $1 this year. The views and opinions expressed are solely those. Okay, all right, guys. So this is what I had, right, guys? You know what I mean? And it gives you 3 reasons why to remain bullish, guys. And not just that, guys. We have a lot going. The devs are working on faster transaction speeds, on cheaper transaction speeds, right, guys? And there's just so many fundamentals for it. And not that, just that, guys. There is a lot of bullish technicals. We broke past the 3 different levels of resistance in the past 30 days, guys. The 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, the 100-day moving average, right? We busted through all those levels of resistance, guys. You know what I mean? But so remain bullish, guys. Continue to be diamond hands, and remember why you're investing in Dogecoin. You know what I mean? I invest in it because I believe in cryptocurrency. digital assets, and I also believe in the Doge Army, the Doge community, what it stands for, and and hopefully Doge is going to become a form of payment, you know what I mean, and maybe replace fiat. That would be nice. All right, guys, this is what your boy Jaime G had for you on this Monday evening. Hopefully it was informative and useful and insightful. If it was, maybe please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. If not, it's all good. I just appreciate you stopping by as a viewer. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. Until tomorrow, your boy's out. Peace.